Hey guys, this is Thomas from freewithsocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to make Facebook picture visible to friends only. Want to make your Facebook picture visible to your Facebook friends only? You can do that by editing pictures privacy settings. Follow these steps and you'll learn how to do it. Open Facebook app and log into your Facebook account. Click on the profile icon at the top to proceed to your profile page. Look for the picture you would like to make visible to your friends only and tap on three-dot icon. Select Edit Privacy. Now just tap on Friends, and from now on this post will be visible to your Facebook friends only. Done! I hope this guide was helpful and you're able to make Facebook picture visible to friends only. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewithsocial.com.